Are you searching for the best laptops that can handle your video editing workflow like a pro? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best laptops for video editing in 2025. Whether you're editing YouTube vlogs, cinematic shorts, or client projects, the right laptop can be the game changer between frustration and flawless execution. From budget-friendly picks to premium powerhouses, there's something here for every kind of creator. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the HP Victus 15. If you're just starting your video editing journey and don't want to drain your wallet, this one's for you. It boasts a 15.6-inch full HD display with a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution, which is perfect for previewing footage with clarity. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 processor that clocks up to 4.55 GHz when needed, making it more than capable of handling video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes smooth and efficient. No more lagging between tabs or while scrubbing timelines. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 GPU adds an extra boost for rendering and GPU-accelerated effects. What makes it even more attractive is its sleek design, reliable thermal management, and inclusion of Windows 11 Home, which comes with smart multitasking layouts and modern UI enhancements. Whether you're editing home videos, social media content, or building your YouTube channel, the Victus 15 delivers everything you need on a budget. It's ideal for students, hobbyists, or anyone looking to get into content creation without breaking the bank. Coming next at number 4, we have the Acer Swift Go 14, our pick for the best 14-inch laptop for video editing. This laptop is compact yet surprisingly powerful, and it's designed for creatives who need a high-performing machine in a portable package. It features a stunning 14-inch 2.8K OLED display that delivers jaw-dropping visuals with incredibly rich colors, ultra-deep blacks, and wide viewing angles that make your edits look studio-ready even on the go. It runs on the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, and it is Intel Evo certified, meaning it's tuned for snappy performance and power efficiency. You get 8 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB of SSD, providing solid performance for most editing tasks, although heavy 4K editing might require a memory upgrade. The build is slim and stylish, weighing under 3 pounds, making it ideal for travel vloggers or content creators working on the move. The Swift Go also includes a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint reader for secure logins, and Wi-Fi 6E for blazing fast connectivity. With Windows 11, you'll benefit from tools like Snap Assist and the AI Copilot for smarter workflows. If you're a student, digital nomad, or freelance editor who values mobility, this is a smart, reliable choice that punches above its weight. At number 3, we've got the Apple MacBook Air 15, a superb ultra-portable laptop that's surprisingly capable when it comes to video editing. Apple's M3 chip gives you excellent performance for everyday content creation, including editing 1080p and some 4K projects with ease. The real star here is the 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display. It's not just gorgeous with full DCI-P3 color support and crisp resolution, it's color accurate enough for grading and detailed timeline work. And because it doesn't have any fans, you get silent operation, which is amazing for coffee shop sessions or late-night edits. But if you plan on editing multi-layered 4K timelines or handling advanced visual effects, you may notice occasional thermal throttling or slight stutters. The base model includes 8 GB of unified memory, but we'd recommend upgrading to 16 GB for serious editing. You also get a stellar sound system, top-tier mic quality, and up to 18 hours of battery life, which is ideal for long work days without worrying about power. So, for creative professionals on the go or Apple loyalists who need lightweight power, the MacBook Air 15 is a dream companion. Coming next at number 2, we have the Alienware X16 R2, our pick for the best gaming laptop that doubles as a powerhouse editing machine. If you want blazing fast performance with a side of futuristic style, this machine delivers. It comes loaded with a QHD plus 16-inch display, running at a ridiculously smooth 240Hz refresh rate with full DCI-P3 color accuracy. That means your video previews will look incredibly fluid and accurate. an absolute game changer for color grading and real-time playback. Under the hood, you get the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with 16 cores and a turbo speed of up to 4.8 GHz. Combined with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, it crushes rendering, effects processing, and timeline scrubbing in 4K. It also includes 16 GB of RAM, high-speed SSD storage, and a uniquely efficient thermal design that keeps things cool even during intense projects. Whether you're exporting complex YouTube videos or working on cinematic edits, it won't break a sweat. The premium design and RGB lighting give it a distinctive look, and you also get great options including Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI. If you're a gamer who creates or a creator who likes to game, the X16R2 is the best of both worlds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 14, our undisputed best overall laptop for video editing in 2025. This is the gold standard for professional editors. The 14-inch mini LED display is not only stunning but also incredibly color accurate with full DCI-P3 coverage and incredible HDR support. It offers insane peak brightness and contrast, which is perfect for editing indoors or outdoors. The MacBook Pro 14 can be configured with the latest M4 Pro or M4 Max chips, giving you up to 12 CPU cores and up to 38 GPU cores. That means you can easily handle multicam edits, high-resolution timelines, and visual effects-heavy content without breaking a sweat. The laptop also includes an SD card reader, HDMI 2.1 port, 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, and MagSafe charging. The battery life is stellar too, lasting up to 18 hours on a single charge. You also get a high-quality 12 megapixels webcam, studio-grade mics, and one of the best speaker systems in any laptop. Whether you're editing documentaries, commercial projects, or your next viral video, the MacBook Pro 14 is built for creators who demand no compromise. It's an investment, but one that will pay off in speed, reliability, and pure creative freedom.